So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an apartment tour. So you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. You're welcome to my channel. I'm so gassed right now, you guys. I am so excited. So let's just get started. Let me show you guys from starting. So this is the entrance door where you're coming from. You have this entrance door right here, and then yeah, so let me turn. Now this is me inside this apartment, and yeah, these are the couches. Oh, I had to put this ring light here because the lightning isn't so good. So let me turn this right up quick so you guys can see what I'm saying. Yeah, you see, it does a whole lot justice to this. So you get you see this couch here, and then you have this ascent chair right here. Yeah, and then you have a little window right there. Yeah. So, and of course what's it called, my lamp. And yeah, so let me go overview. Like, yeah, see that it's a very portable place. I really like it. It's so here I have this kind of farmhouse vibe center table, and here I have this farmhouse style TV stand and a little TV right there. And of course these chairs will be changed. Just got this from the old apartments, so I decided to just drop it right there. And yeah, I like this kitchen because, you guys, this kitchen has this what is it called, an island. I just love it. It made it have more space in the kitchen. It like created more space right here in the kitchen, and you can see the hardwood floor on in the kitchen area, which I love the color so much. And then today that we are doing this apartment tour, we're actually having a party. So let me give you guys a good. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Woo! Look at that! Oh, okay, okay. Look at that! Look at that! You see? Like, come on, you guys met us well. Like, come on in, come join us. Okay, you're highly welcome. And yeah, this here again, you have this second window right here. I love that everything is real modern. They like how is it called, like upgraded everything, and I like that so much. And here you have this little microwave, and then this, it has a washer and dryer sorry, it has a dishwasher unit as well. And then you have all these cabinets right here. You have these cabinets, you have all these cabinets to store whatever you want to store. And this is the stove right there, and it has our jollof rice cooking because this is an African party. Okay. So you're welcome to join us. And then I love that it also has some cabinets down here. You can see that it has some cabinets as well. And then I love this. I love this beautiful, like, look at that. I love this beautiful fake plants or flower, the fake flower right here. It's so beautiful. And then I love that it also has space. We don't need to go there, but it has space down here where you can store your things as well under the island. Yeah, and of course this is the fridge. There's nothing exciting there, so I won't bother opening that today. And this door has the, what's it called, like the electric thing. What's that thing, like for the AC or something? Yeah, this has it. And so that is it for the living room. Oh, I forgot, we have this right here. We have this plant or flower, beautiful flower right here on the center table. So this is the overview of the living room area. Yeah, so this is it. I love the vibe. I love the vibe I'm getting from this thing. So here we have everything. So Yeah, this is an overview. I love the open floor concept of this place as well. It has the open floor concept, so you can see everything on there. Like you can see the living room and then also see the kitchen and the dining. I just love the open floor concept right there. So, and it's real modern. I really love this marble kind of thing. I'm in love with marble, so I really love that it has this marble kind of thing on there. And of course the paper towel holder, paper towel. Let me open this up so you guys see what I'm talking about. So this is it. This is what I'm talking about. So it just has this in there. So that's it. So moving on from here, you have the room. This is the like the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So you have the. I hope I'm talking enough. Like I'm talking loud enough. And yeah, this is it. And this is a full size bed. Yeah, and I love that it has this ceiling fan on there. It's quite sizable. I love the size. And yeah, I have these decks on here where you have the computer, you have, other things right here. And then of course it has this window as well here. And yeah, this is the bed. Yep. You see the linen bed. And this is pretty much the bedroom. You have this right here. And yeah, this is the overview. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. Yeah, this is the overview. And then from there you have your toilet, you have your bathroom and toilet. Yeah. Oh, and this is me. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey. And here you have me, of course. Oh Lord, I just love this simple outfit. Like the summer is so hot, and I'm like, yeah, let's see. So yeah, here you have me, of course. Hey girl, don't mind me. So yeah, here you have your bathroom. Of course, I love the bathroom. And guess what else I love here? Look at what this has. Like, look at all that. It's so beautiful. Like, you can store your things in here, and look at that. You can store your things in here. It's so beautiful. So I love that it has enough storage space, and of course the toilet, the bathroom, and I love the bathtub as well. So now from there you go into the closet. This is the closet, so nothing too interesting. It's not too organized or whatever, but I just decided to show you guys. So this is it. There's nothing much in there. So close. And guess what else I like? Like, look at that. I love that so much. So I love, and it's on there for all the lights. I just love that it has, you can see. So yeah, that is it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I'll have a series called like the apartment or house thingy. I'll just have like a series on a part of my YouTube where I'll have like the house series, because I am house hunting right now. This is not actually my apartment, this is my friend's apartment, but I came to look at it because when she moved, she just recently moved in here, and then she said I should come check it out because it looks like what I would like. So I came here to check this out. Hers is a 1-bedroom apartment, but definitely mine is not going to be a 1-bedroom apartment. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll have a series, like a particular series called house series on my YouTube channel, so I'll be showing you guys the apartments, and we are in this together. Okay, we are going to be searching for these apartments until we find the one that we finally like I finally like. So we house anything. I'm just open to anything right now, be it house or anything at all. I'm very much open to anything, so I'll keep on searching. I'll keep on taking you guys along. So if you want to go along with me to see all these beautiful, beautiful apartments until we find the one that will finally settle in. Then be sure to click that subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any other new video. And if you love apartment tours and house tours, just subscribe, okay? Click that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Don't forget to leave a comment as well. Tell me what you think about this apartment, like the 2-bedroom of this apartment. Tell me what you think about it, if I should go ahead and move in here or if I should look further for more apartments. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.